everyone, so this is a new collection from Simple Stories. This will be in the Cheryl Simone Crafts website. It's Boho Sunshine. As I said, it's by Simple Stories. Absolutely love this collection. So happy that I have it. We're going to go through all the new bits. First of all, we have the kind of embellishment bits, and these are absolutely gorgeous. I love these. They're in the pastel colors and they're the enamel dots, and you got the kind of eggshell blue, you got coral, the yellow, the green, the peach there, and it complements the set beautifully. I also have the sticker book. I also have, well, actually, let's have a look. So the sticker book, here we go. These are the sticker sheets that are included. You get some pictures, some images, stickers there, and you also get some alphas. There's these ones, and then there's some of these larger type ones here. You also get some more images. You get some boxes and some tags. You can use those to make some planners, organizers, or even just on your photos or your craft project to label or to give it a title. Sometimes I use those. We've got some banners and some washi bits there as well. Loving it. I was so excited when this came in because this is so up my street. Love the images. We've also got 24 papers, 6x8 paper pad. And look at those images. We're going to go through the collection kit as always at the end, so we can have a closer look at the papers. So there, and they have cut parts as well. I also have in stock the foam stickers. I love these. I don't always have these in the shop, but I do for this collection. We've got Be the Good, Grow, Bloom, Be Kind, Love, Smile, You Are My Sunshine, Good Vibes, and this one says Sunshine, and then it does have some more on the other side. Look at that sun, so cute. Be Happy, Good Vibes, Peace Sign, You Are a Star, and then down the bottom we've got Love and a butterfly. Lots of butterflies and garlands and sunshine. And then we also have the chipboard stickers as well, and then it has similar images. We've got Smile Big, then we've got Be a Rainbow, we've got the camper van, the VW camper van, sunglasses, flowers, and then right down here we've got roller skate, and then it says Good Vibes. And that we have also the ephemera. So we have two different packs. We've got the bits and pieces, and we also got the floral bits. This one has 57 pieces in, this one has 48, and then there are all the images. So someone actually did suggest in the comments about opening the ephemera, which I do normally do sometimes, but if there's lots if I'm recording lots of different paper pads in a day, it can get a bit confusing, lots of different bits out. But I am going to open these because I love the images in this set. I absolutely love it, so you know that I'm going to be choosing this to craft with, because yeah, it's just making me happy even looking at it. And then this is the 12x12 collection. You get 89 pieces. You get quite a lot of cut apart sheets in this one as well. You also get your sticker sheet down here. So some of them, you got like the roller skates, you got the record player, the camper van, you got bike, it says Be Happy, rainbows, bunting, butterflies. You've also got these larger cut aparts. But let's open it up and get into it. Boho Sunshine, let's open it up. So that was the top sheet. The first one, we have these groovy lines, and they're in beautiful colours. We've got peaches, corals, navies and greens going on. And on the back side of that, we have, might be better if I move them to the side like this, we have the lovely flowers there. This one, it's got the phrases all across it. Be happy, vibes, grow and bloom, and then in between it has flowers. And then on the back of there we have the polka dots in this kind of, I would say like a reddish burnt orange with the pink polka dots there. We've got the cactuses, cacti, it's cacti, isn't it? Cacti in the pots all over. Then on the back of there we have a pattern sheet with the X's there, similar colour to the one we just had. We've got this one with the butterflies. I don't know, when I'm looking through the camera it's showing it with a slightly blue hue, so hopefully you get in the real colour, because this is a light pinky kind of colour with the white flowers. Have the bunting with the smiley faces, the butterflies, be happy, and then we have some diagonal lines on the back. Love these pieces for layering up as well. These plain, well, it's not really plain, but not a busy pattern, should I say, on it. Then we have this one with the smiley faces, and then we have the yellow with yellow polka dot, the green flowers here, and then this one. I love this page. Even if you just got the collection kit, you could fussy cut these out and make your ephemera, which I do love to do, and they're really a nice size as well for ephemera pieces on cards and albums, like especially the little mini albums that I like to make. Also got this one, and it has a cut apart of tags. There's 15 tags on this sheet. It's got kind heart, fierce mind, brave spirit, good vibes, love you, peace, love and happiness, you are my sunshine, hello sunshine here at the bottom. So yeah, absolutely love it. Look at this pink one, you are my rainbow, so sweet. And then the back of that one, you actually have lines and squares, so they've already put those on for you. Some of them are blank, so once you cut them out, they're ready to go into your project. This is another cut apart. We have some more pieces that have lines for you to do your journaling. And butterflies and flowers. Absolutely so fun. And then, did I show you the back of this one? We've got some sun cut aparts here. So these have 12 cut aparts for you. And then they also have phrases as well. So cute. Even if you just wanted to make a really quick and easy card, you could cut these up and use those. And then on the back we've got these super cute faces on the little sunshines, little suns. This one's got so many beautiful images for you to cut and use. So this one has some larger ones here at the top, and then it goes into a few smaller square cut aparts, mushrooms and butterflies, records, and then you've got hug life down at the bottom, and then you have 3 more of the bigger cut aparts at the bottom. So yeah, there's that one. And then on the back of there as well, you have some more little half sunshines. Your bigger cut aparts, you've got 6 of those on the sheet. Be kind, wild and free. And this one says with the camera, smile happy, looks good on you. And then you have the camper van. And on the back of there, you've got this light blue background with these beautiful little flowers. Looks really similar to some of those flower hole punches. I've got one that does a similar flower, so that would really complement that. And then last page is your sticker sheet, and loads of images on here as well, with the mushroom, sunglasses. We've got some more plants down here. I've really been getting into the plants of late, guys. I'll probably show you guys just what I've been doing, so have a look out for that. I'll put a picture up on the community tab, because I've really gotten into the indoor plants. Actually, we've grown some more stuff outside, peppers and chilies. I don't know if I've mentioned that, but really into the house plants and things like that. I love my little plant babies. So let's have a look at the ephemera pieces as well. Let's give you a closer look. So let's see. It's better if I just lay them out here. So you've got some really lovely pieces, lovely and big, the size and shape. Love these. I'll probably do a little challenge, one of my little challenge. How many cards can I make? Absolutely love doing that with my last collection kit with the stickers and the ephemera pieces. And I've managed to actually have some cards to send out to you guys as well. So that's been really, really handy. We've got butterflies. We've got some larger pieces. We've got some of these denim shorts in the summer. Wish I could wear some denim shorts in the summer. Maybe not this summer, maybe next summer. Some plants, some bunting. Lovely denim backpack there. Headphones, butterflies. Oh, Birkenstocks. If you know, you know. Love Birkenstocks. Peace sign with the flowers. Lots of these little flowers as well you can use. We've got the record, the old record player. If I said to my kids now about a record player, they wouldn't know what I'm talking about. Honestly, they make you feel ancient. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Sunshine. But my mum keeps telling me that I used to do the same to her. So, I don't know, maybe. You reap what you sow. I don't know. Rainbow. Sunshine. Some more garlands. Some more rainbows. Cozy chair for reading. Rainbow. Oh, little snail. Little snaily snail. Camper van. Be good. Little tapestry there. Good vibes. So that is in the bits and pieces, and there were 48 pieces in there. Oh, one got stuck, which is a little smiley face. He got trapped in the packet there. How do you store your collection kits? Because I like to keep my, the collections together, but I like to keep my ephemera in the packet that it came. I don't know. I just like to keep it like that. I know some people like to put them into containers and things. So let me know. Because maybe this isn't the best way to store them. So we've got some beautiful butterflies here. Different colours. Oh, there's quite a few there. So these ones are like beautiful butterflies and flowers of different kinds. Got this one with the stalk as well. You've got some smaller ones. There's a happy face. Smaller flowers. Lots of flowers. Little mushrooms. I don't know. Every time I see a mushroom, it reminds me of Andrea now. So, yeah. I just think about her when I see mushrooms. Some more smiley faces. These used to be called acid faces, didn't they? Is that showing my age now? That's what I remember. And then we've got the peace sign here. We've got lots of, this one's got lots of more rainbows in. There's quite a few there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rainbows, 2 peace signs, lots of mushrooms and flowers. So those are all those bits there. Those were the 2 ephemera pieces that ephemera packages that we went through. So just again, that one was the floral bits boho, and that had the 57 pieces, the one with the rainbow and all the flowers. So yeah, so that is the Simple Stories boho sunshine. Enjoy your day. See you in the next video. Bye.